Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to sell Dogecoin on Kraken. First thing I want you to do is log into your Kraken account, and here under the buy crypto section you can actually click here on sell and you choose your crypto. In this case it'll be Dogecoin. Okay, and we're depositing it into our Kraken balance. So you enter your amount right here of Doge that you want to sell, let's say the whole amount, and then you can come here, hit a preview sell. Okay, so you can confirm your order. You'll see we're depositing into the Kraken balance. You'll see the price, you'll see the amount, if there's any fees, and the total you'll receive. Then you just come here, you hit sell now, and it'll submit the sale. Transaction takes about a minute. Just wait and you'll see, just sold it. You can view the receipt as well, and you can see it under your ledger. You've received this much. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.